So this is this time-space matrix, as we all know it. Scientists have studied it in quantum physics, and it's real. It is made up of atoms, matter, and the youngest particle is basically a sound. Okay. With this clarity, now there comes a question: can you warp space? Space travel? Traveling? No. It's very difficult in the external matter to control the space. Can you control time? Yes, of course, yes. And it can be achieved in external as well. There have been experiments where scientists or people have changed, three or four factors like the gravitational force, the acceleration, which is the speed, and magnetism forces have been employed. And the experience of time or time itself, the logic of time was shifted or changed. And this we experience in reality also many times, where people say that, oh, so much time has passed, and like you're watching a very nice movie, or you're on a very nice date and time passes very fast. Or sometimes people are like, oh, it feels like excruciating, torturous, hours have passed, but it was just a few minutes. So, why? Because time can be shifted by knowledge of a few factors that can give into the time, which is the factors of space, as well as time can also be shifted by the senses. Okay, because the senses also contribute a lot in this experience, and we usually try to map time, or measure time using the sun rays, the sun, the flow of the time of the sun, the moon, which we are thinking are more stable and have a higher lifetime of a longer duration, and can give a better, let's say, measure, a comparison, or a map. So time many times is just a calculative superlative, let's say, it's just a comparative term also, so that can also shift the subject of time. Like in Hinduism, many times we use the lunar calendar or the swasa, the breaths, the breathing, to calculate also your mortal lifetime. But in reality also, can you still shift the time? Again, in the experience, yes. Because outer time जो आपका वक्त है ना, however time is, whether it is favorable or unfavorable, the true you, when it is the inner you, when you are inside in that divine realm, and you will not be affected, and your experience will totally be very different. Okay, try, please keep meditating.